Well, some of them have been given the highest military honor. Most of them have risked their lives at the borders. But now, retired army officers of Jammu and Kashmir have taken to the streets to protest the shoddy treatment by the state government. Among other things, they are demanding a reservation in government jobs.
They once marched for the country. Today they are protesting against its government. Hundreds of retired army jawans and retired officers, up to the rank of general, held a demonstration on the streets of Jammu on Monday. They say they are fed up of being treated badly by the J&K government. This is Bana Singh, who was crucial to the capture of the heights of Siachen in 1987. His bravery got him a Paramveer Chakra, the highest military honor in the country, and he is the only army jawan to get it from the Jammu and Kashmir state so far. But now, he says the state government doesn't care. All he gets is 166 rupees a month, while other states honor their Paramveer Chakra awardees with thousands every month.
जब कारगिल युद्ध हुआ है तो उस टाइम में पंजाब गवर्नमेंट ने अगर किसी को परमवीर चक्र मिलेगा ऑन स्पॉट उसको 25 लाख रुपया और एक घर बनाकर दिया जाएगा। मगर इन हमारी स्टेट में इनकी यूं ही नहीं कान के पास पहुंची है। 562 कैजुअल्टी डेथ हुई है, जिनमें हमारे सबसे ज्यादा J&K में है, मगर किसी को नहीं पूछा जा रहा है।
What the ex-servicemen are now demanding from the state government is reservation in government jobs, exemption from taxes, land for an ex-serviceman's colony, reopening of the ghee factory where most of them were employed till it was shut in 2004, a department exclusively for the welfare of the ex-servicemen. Annuities for award holders should be at par with what other states offer.
VAT जो कि एक ग्रोसरी आइटम्स के ऊपर लगा हुआ है टैक्स 12.5%, बाकी स्टेट 1 या 4% लगा रही है, हमारे को 12.5%। अगर छोड़ना नहीं है तो 12% मत लगाओ, 5% मत लगाओ, 1 या 4% लगाओ।
There are over 1 lakh ex-servicemen in Jammu Kashmir state. 900 of them are awardees. Now state government officials say they will do what they can to improve things.
Morale of the ex-servicemen in J&K has always been very high, and I am sure it will remain high. Whatever are their issues will definitely be looked into and some solutions will be found.
These army jawans have given the best part of their life in the service of the nation, but just the time when they wanted somebody to come forward and to help them, they feel there's nobody. It's a dangerous trend which needs to be checked sooner than later. In Jammu, Zafar Iqbal for NDTV.